Hi everyone, welcome back to Love Sundays. Today we're going to do the walk from Swanpool Beach to Maenporth. There's a coastal path that goes from... There's a coastal path that goes from... give me a minute. So the plan is to start at Swanpool Beach and follow the coastal path, taking all the views of the English Channel. Try not to get pooed on by the seagulls and arrive safe and sound at Maenporth Beach. So that's the plan. Let's get going. Swanpool Beach. So Swanpool Beach is named after Swanpool, which is so what I believe, so I'd take my shirt off, a bit warm. I'm pretty sure I saw pictures back from the 1950s or whenever it was of people swimming in Swanpool. So I think it was originally built for swimming in. I'm all about telling the truth and showing it as it is on this channel. But this is disgusting. If the bin's full, take your rubbish with you. We did a coastal walk the other evening, Morton Smith Church, along the coast just down to a little beach, and I preferred it to this walk because there was a lot more open space and you could see a lot more, but it's still beautiful here. Another thing as well, in normal times this would be a fantastic walk, but this walkway is quite narrow, so if you're trying to socially distance, there's not a huge amount of places to like jump in the hedges, but there's a lot of kind people around that are waiting, taking their time, which is what we got to do at this current time, unfortunately. Slowly getting closer to Maenporth, which is just down there. Oh, hello little guys. They're like little baby pheasants. Oh, here he is. He wants to check on his babies, doesn't he? For anyone that's not been to Maenporth Beach before, it's a longer beach than Swanpool, so more space for people to spread out. So last year the Maenporth Life's a Beach cafe burnt down, and I'm not sure if it reopened, but let's have a look when we get there. I mean, I doubt it's going to be open now anyway because of what's going on, but it'd be interesting to see if it was rebuilt at least anyway. Another fact about Maenporth Beach is they have a restaurant called The Cove, and it was absolutely really good food, sort of high quality, and then it was bought by Michael Keynes, the chef that's based in the Exeter area, and it was due to reopen. I think it reopened just before the pandemic sort of hit this country, so it's probably not really had any business yet, so hopefully it stays open. So one of the bad things of trying to video while walking in flip-flops, I stubbed my toe. If you're squeamish, look away. Actually, don't worry about it, I'll just blur it out every time. where there's a will there's a way. They're still open, and it's probably because it's takeaway food, so they're allowed to do that, so good on them. Okay, that's it from me today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers! We didn't get pooed on.